No rush, no need to go fast. Aram se. Yeah, it's fine.
So you don't have to take this. So let's just see here.
This is fine, no?
Yeah, we can see.
Okay. This is the restaurant, huh?
Yeah, this is the.
Okay, cool.
You want to put it a little back, you can do it.
No, this is fine, I think.
Where is your camera?
This is inside this.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not easy to remove also.
Okay. Yeah. There'll be somebody or the other standing here.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you hear me? Hello?
How much fuel do you have?
I have about 85 kilometer range.
So you want to fill it up now?
Yeah. Let's fill it up now. We don't have to worry till Coorg. XP95 yeah? XP95.
Yes, sir.
XP95 yeah? The whole stretch, the footage is very good. I didn't want it to die when we enter the.
This is also really good.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's very nice. I was having fun. You must be having a lot of fun.
Yeah. I don't. I like crashing my bike.
I was a little scared on the muddy.
Yeah. Gravel. Be careful.
Yeah.
It's in this corner, no? So it would have rained a little.
Yeah.
And all the gravel would have come.
Yeah. I was just like slowing down as much as possible.
Me also.
Hey, he's coming from this side. What the fuck? How are you coming from here?
He took the first left.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
I asked somebody there.
Okay. We had to go this side.
I have to go this time. My battery down this also.
Okay. Where's Abai?
Abe met his brother-in-law. What a fortunate, because he met his brother-in-law and sister-in-law somewhere there. So he said we'll come a little late. We three will carry on.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
You can came from here.
Huh? Yeah.
This side is road is very small. No place to overtake us.
Oh. You need to turn. What?
Yeah.
You got it?
Oh.
I'll just move a little bit that side, huh?
No, it's okay. I'll move it. There's so much space.
Oh, somebody's putting. You need help?
Don't work. Little bit down.
ഹായ്
ഹലോ
നമ്മൾ ഫോണിൽ സംസാരിച്ചിരുന്നു
പാലക്കാട്
ആ
പേര് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു.
സൂര്യ
സൂര്യ.
ആ
എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് റൈഡ്?
അടിപൊളിയായിരുന്നു, നല്ല റൈഡായിരുന്നു.
എവിടുന്നാ നിങ്ങൾ?
ഞാൻ ബാംഗ്ലൂർ ആ ബാംഗ്ലൂർ എല്ലാവരും യെസ്. അഭയ് വരാൻ കുറച്ച് സമയമാവും.
ഓക്കെ
അഭയ് ആൾ അവിടെ കുറച്ച് സ്റ്റക്കായിരിക്കും, ഒരു ഹാഫ് ആൻ അവർ 40 മിനിറ്റ്സിലെത്തും.
ഓക്കെ
അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ചെക്ക് ഇൻ ചെയ്തിട്ട് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ആയി. I had GoPro right all this time. Poor battery, and there's no connectivity to. If you want to use the GoPro's mic, you have to buy an adapter, GoPro adapter, and then you have to connect to GoPro, expose the battery socket, connect to GoPro, and then connect an external mic to it. It's so much pain if you wanted to record a vlog or anything with GoPro. DJI, nothing, just a small mic.
Wireless.
That's it, wireless. You hit the record button, the mic will automatically start. I was able to upload so much content because of just shifting to DJI. Because the Munnar when we went, I had this external mic in the backpack, and then the GoPro was in the front. I accidentally once or twice I stopped and started the camera, and that's it. Now I lost sync. I don't know when the audio recording started here, when the mic started here. It was like a huge mess.
No, but now. Road again.
Yeah, we should do. All the reasons. Let me get the drone. We'll do Munnar again.
Drone. It's okay.
I'm all relying on GTA.